Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to close a game or application on your Nintendo Switch. So if you're playing, press the home button on your controller, return the home screen here. Now what you want to do is look at the bottom of the screen. It says press X to close software. So press X on the application that you want to close. So I want to close Fortnite. Press X on it. It says closing the software you are currently using. Let's go to close. That's going to shut down the game, just like that. So it makes it very easy to do. So then you can start downloading your games or something like that. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. Download this software now. But subscribe down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.